Today we are removing the rear Bose speakers and amplifiers from a Cadillac Eldorado. The Seville is similar. This video is by request. Hope it's helpful. For more help, see carstereoremoval.com. Start with opening the trunk of the vehicle and removing contents for better access. Amplifiers are specific to each vehicle. Front and rear amplifiers are different. Common amp problems are squeal, static, low or no audio. Stereo problems are listed on the website. With the contents of the trunk removed, there is a carpeted panel that covers the bottom of the rear package shelf and runs down along the back of the rear seat. Grasp the top back edge of this panel at the edge of the package shelf. Pull and lower panel to floor. This will release Velcro strips. Check the Velcro strips to see if they separated properly and replace them. This will give access to the enclosure cover that is secured by two wing nuts, located on the side closest to the center of the vehicle. Wing nuts removed with finger pressure from screws extending down from the rear package shelf. Set the wing nuts to the side. Pull edge of enclosure cover down to release screws through openings. To release the opposite side of enclosure cover, pull towards center of vehicle, releasing tongue. This is a tongue and groove install. Tongue at opposite end of enclosure cover mates to a groove located on the bottom of the rear package shelf. When reinstalling enclosure cover, tongue side first. This gives access to the bracket securing the speaker. The amplifier is attached to the bottom of the bracket. To release the bracket, locate a metal loop at the end of the bracket towards the center of the vehicle. This metal loop is secured by a hook extending down from the above package shelf. Push metal loop up towards package shelf and to the side to release from the hook. The opposite end of this metal bracket has two tongues secured to two openings extending down from the above package shelf. Lift the bracket up and towards center of vehicle, allowing the tongues to pass through openings. Again, tongue side first when reinstalling. Black connector in the wire harness has a latch on one side. With a small screwdriver, pry the edge of the latch up, releasing the lock. This will release the connector from the vehicle. The connector is keyed and fits only in one position. Troubleshoot by testing the enclosures at a different location. You can check speakers and amplifiers separately. Removing complete enclosures from the audio system does no harm. Removing amplifiers for repair. 1991 and newer have a connector located on the amplifier. Remove 4 screws securing amp to the bottom of the bracket, disconnect and remove and send for repair. Older amplifiers are wired directly to the circuit board. Remove the 4 screws securing the amplifier, disconnect 2 wires at the speaker, remove amp and wire harness for repair. Hope this video is helpful. If your question has not been answered, see carstereoremoval.com. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.